So everywhere on YouTube, you guys are thrown, get rich quick, this is gonna work, you're gonna make a ton of money. I wanted to go out on the street and see, is that the actual thinking of people, or is that just the ads that we see every single day? As you guys have seen in so many of our videos, we constantly preach, get rich slow. It's going to be much more rewarding in the long run, and you're not gonna blow it all. You're not gonna lose all that money. So let's go out on the streets and see what the opinions of people are. I really hope that the consensus is everybody wants to get rich slowly. So we're out here today asking, is it better to get rich quick or slow over time?
Slow over time.
Depends on how, which way are we talking? If it's rich and dirty, not worth it, you know?
I mean, hey, however you want to do it.
Money. I think slow is better.
Yeah.
If you get flung into a new kind of lifestyle, like you get rich, oh, I have all the money in the world, it's not gonna be nice.
Well, it's slow for me, I guess.
Slow, yeah.
Rich slowly.
Probably slowly.
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 Slow over time.
I'd say slowly.
And why is that?
I feel like people that get rich quickly either spend it all too quickly or don't know what to do with it or are too greedy.
And why is that?
I feel like if you get rich quick, you kind of don't even understand what's really happening. You kind of just get all this money. I find that people that get rich slower, they're working hard to get that meal.
Yeah.
And so, although I would like to win the lottery, so I guess.
And why is that?
Because it's better, safe, and
Safer.
yes.
And why is that?
I think it takes time to accumulate wealth, and then you can manage it a little bit more effectively.
That's a great answer. So instead of kind of getting a ton of money and being like, oh, now what do I do, or going crazy with it, kind of let it happen over time.
Yeah.
And why is that?
Because it's more stable income.
And why is that?
You get to enjoy the money more.
Yeah. Do you have any friends that have gotten in the get rich quick schemes, anything like that, or you've been pitched them yourself?
I think all the YouTube ads are all about get rich quick, right?
100%.
Yeah, so I've seen those.
Have you ever been pitched get rich quick schemes, anything like that?
Just like YouTube ads and like that sort of stuff.
Have you been presented any get rich quick schemes over your life?
Yeah.
You ever taken one of them?
Pyramid scheme.
Pyramid scheme.
Back in the day.
Yeah. Did you ever get a part of one?
No, I got my money back.
Oh, that's good.
Some other sucker took the fall.
What do you do? What is your investment
I'm
cycle?
currently a college student.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just currently not doing anything.
Yeah. Have you ever thought about investing in real estate, investing in the stock market, anything like that?
Real estate I have. Stock market, I don't really trust it.
So what do you do with your money right now?
I'm just saving my money in bank account. Actually, stock market is so risky.
Yeah.
That's why I don't know. I never trust on stock markets.
So do you take money into your pension, investing, go in the stock market, real estate, anything like that?
I invest monthly into retirement accounts. I have for the last 25 years.
Yeah. Advice to you have children?
I do.
What would you tell them?
Listen to your father. Start with a Roth IRA as soon as you can. 25, 50 bucks a month, something. Just start it. You'll never miss it. Just do it monthly.
Oh, do you invest in stock market, real estate, anything like that yet?
I did a little bit of stock market trading during COVID.
Any real estate?
Not at the moment.
Retirement accounts, 401ks, anything?
Working on it.
Awesome. What type of investments do you make?
Just saving my money.
I've done some investments at the right times, mostly in property. I don't like stocks.
So what do you do with your investments?
Right now I don't have enough to invest.
If you did, let's say you got a chunk of $10,000, what would you do with that?
I would probably reach out to a qualified financial advisor and check out my options.
Would you ever consider going to our YouTube channel and not going to a financial advisor?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm going to give you a card for that. Ever consider real estate?
Like owning it or selling it?
Like owning real estate, having rental properties, anything like that?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Something you would want to do in the
Yeah.
future? Awesome. What do you do for your personal investments right now?
Yeah, so right now I have a Roth IRA, and so I invest in a mutual fund in that, and that's kind of my main savings right now.
That's phenomenal. Good for you. And then, so what is your plan as you accumulate more money? What are you going to do? Just continue to do that plus something else?
Yeah, so right now it's just Roth, and then probably like a high yield savings account, and then maybe if I get to the point where I can invest more, then we'll figure it out from there. But that's just the plan right now.
What process do you use? Have you fallen in for any kind of get-rich-quick things? Is that your style, or which one's more your style?
I'm not very risk averse, so I don't take many risks.
What do you mostly invest in? Is it real estate? Is it stocks?
Just my pension for when I retire.
What do you do as far as your investments go?
Not much. I could use a little work in that area. I just started working 2 years ago, and I'm not a finance person. I'm more of a science person, so I don't know too much.
What do you do?
I'm a nurse.
Oh, nice. So where do you ever think about putting your money in the stock market, real estate, anything like that?
I have, but like I said, I'm not super informed on any of it, so I don't know where to start or anything like that.
Well, good news for you. You ran into us today, and we have a YouTube channel that explains all of that. After today, I have been incredibly encouraged to see that not one person said get rich quick. And as a matter of fact, when I said why would you rather get rich slowly? They said because you make the money fast and then you blow it all. And honestly, that was an unbelievable statement that I did not expect to hear, and I heard it from almost every single person. Now, when we asked some people, hey, do you have friends that do this? Do you have friends that get rich quick? We had a couple of answers that said yes, and I think something very important, and I've said this in previous videos, get those people out of your life. You do not want that type of mentality hindering your future, your retirement, your children's future, etc. You think it's something small, but those types of things really do start to build on themselves. Put your money into the stock market. Put your money into an index fund. Just let it build on itself over time. Get that rental property. Collect that cash flow every single month. I was very, very surprised to see the responsibility as far as the thought process goes. Now, I do want to get more people investing. That's the goal out here. Teach people that they can invest. You don't need a financial advisor. You don't need to have some quote-unquote guru to do this for you. A lot of people, like we see a lot in the science field, they don't know a lot about money, and that's not a problem, but money is not that complicated. We need to create better relationships with money so that it's healthy, it's easy, it's really not that complex. You don't need to make money complex, and that's the biggest takeaway here. So guys, I want you to go to this beginner series right here. It is going to be invaluable for you. You will be able to watch it over and over, and it's going to teach you the very, very basics of getting started with investing, and it's going to help you so much with your future. Go check it out. Have a great day.